Want to create that famous G major zero effect on your videos, all on Android? Let me show you the fastest and easiest way to do it using free apps. So first, you can just install any of these apps. You can use Light Motion, CapCut, or KineMaster. And I'll show you how using Light Motion can create this effect. You can just download the Light Motion from the Google Play Store and then just open the app. Now just import the clip you want to apply the G major zero effect to. So in here you need to choose the ratio first, tap on create project and then select your videos after that. So you can add video from your phone storage. Here tap on the plus icon again, click on media and then just select the videos that you want to edit. Let's say I want to edit this videos right here. Okay, this one. And now let's build the G major zero effect by tweaking the color, invert, and pitch settings. So first you need to add color inversion effects. So go to effects, click on the plus icon in here. Click on the video and click on effects and click on add effects. Choose the color and light category and then just choose the invert RGB effect. Okay, let's just search for it. RGB. You can also just use this RGB split. Click on standard settings and it will be added to your videos just like this. And next you can lower the saturation or add glitch. Let's just go back first and here go to effects again, click on add effect and find hue shift or vibrance effects. This one, hue shift. Click on standard settings and next you can change the audio pitch. So what you need to do is detach the audio first. Click on it. And only export the audio. After that you can use Wave Editor or Lexis Audio Editor and you can just lower the pitch by -3 or -5 semitones and import back into your timeline. Then you can just add the audio by clicking on the plus icon, audio, and in here just find the audio from your file. Click on the plus icon and now you can just tap play to preview the result. And you can just click on this arrow at the top right corner and tap on export. You can also change the quality settings first before exporting. And just like that, you've got G major zero on Android. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want a full G major pack next. And don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye.